Okay, so for the holidays, I purchased a heavy-duty folding cargo carrier from HaulMaster. I picked this up at Harbor Freight for about $99 plus tax. It was about, typically it's about $113. So I paid about 107 with tax. And I just wanted to show you what's involved in putting it together. So the instructions were not the best, but it did come with these screws. First of all, you have to put this part and this part together, and to do so you need to put this plate and these screws on. Just hand tighten them, right? Don't tighten anything fully yet. So you put this on. It's a bit, as you can see, it's uneven, so it was a bit awkward to get this onto these two pieces. You do the same on the other side. So you use all of these small screws. All right, on this side here we have some 20mm bolts and 30mm. These are the 20mm lengths and these are 30mm. So what you need to do is to put the middle brace on, this brace and this brace on first. All right, and then tighten these up, because afterwards you need to put this on and this will interfere with your ability to tighten this. All right, so these two, and then you put this one on and you put this one on, right? And this one needs the 30mm bolts. Now what made this a little harder is that you need to put this on and you need to put this bracket on as well, and then put a bolt through. All right, and after you do this and tighten it up, then you put the middle piece on. Now this one, you put this on and you put a long bolt that goes all the way through. So it starts from here and comes all the way through to here. So to do so, you need to slide in this bar. There's a square bar that goes all the way through, and then feed these through. So it needs to go, the bolt needs to go through this as well as through that, and then be bolted onto this frame, this piece, right? And then you tighten it up. All right, the next thing you do is you install this piece that goes from here to here. So you put the bolt in on this side and tighten it as far as it will go, and then you put a pin. So this carrier is designed right now, its orientation is that it will be up against the vehicle, right? Similar to this, right? And if you want to lie it down, you need to remove this pin, right? And then you lower this down, right? And then you put the pin through this hole. All right, and one thing I also purchased was a locking pin from Harbor Freight. I think it was $11. And this is what it is. It's a trailer coupler with a 5/8 pin lock. All right, you could only lock it if you have the key. All right, which is good. You don't want to lock it and you can't find the key. So this will help secure it to the vehicle. So this is what I did. It looks very sturdy. The box says it's rated for 750-pound capacity, but that isn't necessarily true. For class 3 hitches, it goes up to 450 pounds. For class 4 hitches, it goes up to 750 pounds. So just be careful, take this with caution, because it depends what kind of hitch you have. All right, and yeah, that's it. This unit is about 50 pounds heavy, so you're probably going to need someone to help you and put it on the vehicle. But it looks pretty sturdy, and you will also want to get some bungee cords. Right, and there's even a net that they sell that goes over it when you put luggage on. That I think it's like $20, but I'm just going to use these bungee cords, put them together and just loop them around, and tie my luggage down. All right, so I hope this helps you in putting it together. It took about 45 minutes, half an hour to 45 minutes, and you just need to have some tools and some time to figure out how it all goes. The instructions, once again, was a bit vague, so that's why I'm making this video. So if this helped you, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.